Hey, welcome to Travel with TiVo. Sometimes we get all caught up in wanting to travel to far away and exotic places, and we forget that right in our own backyards, we've got a whole lot of beauty that we can explore. In fact, that's one of the reasons we work so hard, is to find a good place to live that we can have a vacation anytime we want it, just by going into our backyards. And today, that's kind of what I want to show you all. We're going on a little kayaking and beach walking here at Kiptopeke State Park on the eastern shore of Virginia. One of the few paradises left that just doesn't have a whole lot of people. I hope you enjoy some of the scenery and the up-close views of the concrete ships that are off there behind me as I'm talking right now. Thanks for watching. If you've never been to Kiptopeke State Park and seen the concrete ships, they're truly a sight to behold. There are 9 ships in total, making up 2 breakwaters. The ships were built in 1942, commissioned by the U.S. Maritime Commission, but they were scuttled in 1948 after the war to protect the Little Creek Cape Charles ferry terminal. However, when the bridge opened up, the ferry terminal was no longer needed, and the breakwater simply was left to protect what then became Kiptopeke State Park, providing a wonderful place for kayakers, seabirds, swimmers. It's just a beautiful sight to behold, and one of the most characteristic and recognizable features of Virginia's state parks. I hope you all really enjoyed the opportunity to take a short vacation in the backyard that I see every day. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again.